President William Ruto anyitaniire na President wa Slovenia Nataša Musar, munini wake Kithure Kindiki na mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga ukungwira mambura ma 62 ma madaraka kiharo-ini kia Raila Odinga Stadium kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay gukwakiranira mogaruruku na tafaria itiganite kuri mbeũ njĩthĩ.
Karibu Your Excellency.
Kuringana na President mubango wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ wa SHA nĩũgacĩrĩte kuri rĩu AKENYA 50,000 o mũthenya mareyandĩkithia, na rĩu akauga ona thirikari nĩĩcoketie guoko na njĩra ya kuhuthia mirihire niguo mukenya ũrĩa ũtarĩ na wĩra wa mwisho wa mweri ahote kuriha kuringana na ũhoti wake.
To address persistent challenges such as irregular premiums and other contributions among informal sector workers, we are introducing an innovative and inclusive payment solution called Lipa SHA Pole Pole or Lipa SHA Mosmos. This initiative enables Kenyans to remit their annual SHA contributions through flexible, manageable installments, whether monthly, weekly, or even daily, based on their financial ability.
President arauga gukorwo Kenya ina namba 6 hari mabũrũri marĩa magacurukiwa wonjore gĩtarũ-inĩ kia Africa nĩ ũhotani ũkinyanĩrio nĩ thirikari yake, na rĩu Kenya nĩ yamũkĩrĩte ciringi bilioni 5 iria ikũhũra njeki a yuthi 100,000 arĩa marĩhotaga kwamũkĩra 50,000 ta gĩkundi nĩguo mahote kwanjĩrĩria biacara.
Since August 2022, Kenya has recorded an average annual growth of an average of 5%, outperforming the global average of 3.3% and the regional average of 3.8%. Just last month, the International Monetary Fund projected our GDP to reach US dollars 132 billion. That is 17 trillion Kenya shillings.
Iguru wa ũguo President no wanĩire gũcoka gwa Kazi Mtaani ĩrĩa rĩu ĩrĩtagwo Climate Works, wĩra mũnene arĩ kũhe mawĩra a yuthi makĩria ũgitĩri-inĩ wa marĩa matũrigicĩirie.
Through Climate Works, we are not just offering a paycheck for today. We are providing financial relief and a bridge to future opportunities, enabling young people to pursue their next steps, whether in launching a business, furthering their education, or stepping into long-term employment. Kuanzia next week, ile ilikuwa inaitwa Kazi Mtaani, sasa itaanza Kenya mzima, na vijana 110,000 watapata nafasi ya kushiriki katika kazi hiyo.
Mũbango-inĩ wa nyũmba cia raithi, President augĩte nĩ egũtwara rĩendekithia bunge arĩa kũhotithia arĩa marutaga igoti rĩrĩ kwamũkĩra ngombo cia nginyagia milioni 5 kũrĩ arĩa marenda kwĩgwatĩra ũikaro.
In recognition and appreciation of the sacrifice made by patriotic Kenyans through their contributions to the housing levy, I am pleased to announce today that we shall be proposing to Parliament a reform to the law that will allow any contributor to access an affordable home loan of up to 5 million shillings at a single-digit interest rate, applicable towards any housing unit in the market. This facility will also enable contributors to offset existing mortgages, offering greater flexibility in their housing journey and allowing many to significantly ease their home financing costs.
Andũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ MWIRI wa Ndung'u.